Hello peeps, my name is Naledi Apiwe. I'm here by Ketogutle Secondary School. Sizowenza music video wami. Yeah.
So far, how is it going?
It's exhausting. Ngikhathele mina manje. Kakhulu futhi. Sengikhathele nje already lapho kwamanye ama locations kodwa nje sengikhathele kodwa kumnandi kakhulu ngoba khona abantu engibajwayele yonke leyo nto leyo.
What is your interesting part of the shoot so far?
Ukuthi khona abangani bami ya ngijabulela nje ukuthi bazovela kwi-TV na yonke leyo nto khona abangani bami khona sisibami ya.
And what are your expectations AF video?
My expectations ukuthi nje mangibone emgwaqeni kube naleyo nto leyo so malanga sengibona kwi-TV my channel MTV yabo izinto kanjala kumbulo okuhle manje
yeah overseas chats angithi
obvious so Chris Brown sacela uzama uline lapho ngifakele ivele lapho.
Thank you.